This is a gift from my student in China.
What is the name of the subject?
I don't understand your question.
How can you call this object? For example, these are glasses, and how you call the red object? What is the name?
This is a coffee mug.
Mug, yes. Have you ever been in China?
I lived in China for 1 year.
And do you speak fluent Chinese?
Nope.
It's so difficult?
I agree. It's very difficult.
Yes. And what is the most different thing you find in China?
The food,
What was your favorite food, your favorite dish?
it was like a soup with noodles and like some vegetables and some meat. Very simple.
Is ramen?
A little bit more complex than that. It wasn't a food item you can just buy from the store and just cook it very quickly. It was noodles that were made from scratch, noodles that are made from the beginning, not packaged like in that you buy from a store.
What is the meaning of salam alaikum?
Assalamu alaikum is translated into English as may peace and greetings be upon you.
What is the meaning?
It means that I wish you peace in your life and I come in peace.
Do you have a university degree?
Yes, it's right here.
What do you study?
University of Delaware. I graduated with a history degree.
Do you speak Spanish?
Poquito español. Mucho gusto. Soy de Estados Unidos. Me llamo David. Perdón, señorita. ¿Entiende inglés? No, señor. No entiendo. Hablo castellano un poco. ¿Es usted americano? Sí, señorita.
Perfect.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?